Hi, I'm SAI SWETHA and my college is SAI and I joined the Qspiders in the month of July 2024 and 2025, sorry. And I did my 3 months course here and I learned manual SQL and then I'm ongoing with Java. And recently I had my requirement which is for QA intern and I joined that and I attempted three rounds and I was qualified for that. And now I got a job as QA intern. And this happened through my trainers like Hemant sir and Puneet sir. They were very good in helping me like if I have any doubts, they would clear that. And also not only these things, they were helpful like it would be like about IT professionals and corporate life. They used to tell me about all these things, and they were like more than a trainer. They would like help us like very much in detail. And thank you.